A persistent cough, chest pain, or unexplained weight loss could be signs of a serious infection like tuberculosis, TB. The AFB test, acid-fast bacilli test, detects TB bacteria directly from sputum samples. It's a vital test to confirm infection and start treatment early. At Bahrain Medical Lab, AFB testing is done in-house with results available in just 1 day. No special preparations needed. Accurate and reliable results you can trust. Early detection saves lives. Don't wait when it comes to your health. Call us now, 1725552 vertical bar. Follow us for more info.